Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this amazing cotton jewelry organizer box with pouch that I recently got. This one has 10 compartments, which is perfect for someone like me who has lot of jewelry and want to keep it organized. First of all, let me show you the design. It's made of high quality cotton material and has a beautiful pattern that looks so elegant and feminine. The box has 10 compartments of different sizes, perfect for storing all kinds of jewelry from earrings and necklace to bracelet and rings. And the best part is that it comes with a matching pouch that you can use to store your most precious pieces or taken them with you on the go. But what I love the most about this organizer box is how practical it is. The compartments are lined with soft material that protect your jewelry from scratches and damage, and the transparent zip allow you to see everything at a glance, so you don't have a waste time searching for that one piece you want to wear. Next, moving on, this storage organizer it is convenient to put it anywhere. It can portable for easy carry, perfect for trouble use, convenient to carry your jewelry like pendant, ring, chain, watches, bracelet and hair clips, and even cosmetics. And it's designed for home and travel use, great for traveling carry storage jewelries, makeup item, cosmetic or other small stuffs, or for keeping your jewelry dust free in the closet. Can also be used as makeup bag, toiletry bag, and for other uses. Overall, highly recommended this cotton or jewelry organizer box with pouch and 10 compartments to anyone who want to keep their jewelry organized and safe. It's not only functional but also beautiful and stylish. If you are interested, I will leave the link is to in the description box below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care guys, thank you.